Hey everyone, this is Alexis and welcome back to No Measurement Eats. Today I'm going to show you what I feed my dog Layla. She's a Pitbull and she is 2 years old. I combine meals that I make at home with her kibble, so please stay tuned.
So the first thing I add is the recommended amount of kibble. We use the blue brand, the lamb and brown rice recipe mixture. And I'm breaking up some boiled chicken. I always boil the whole chicken with some carrots and also some celery if I have it with water. And I put it to the side and I add that to her mixture. I then am going to add in some sweet potatoes. These sweet potatoes have been in the oven with some aluminum foil for about an hour on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I just add in 1 scoopful. She loves them, oh my gosh. I'm then adding some salmon oil. That's the brand that I love. You can get it on Amazon. I'm then going to add in some steamed carrots and peas. Now, my dog really hates her vegetables. I'm trying to get her a little bit better about it, but this is really a good way to, add vegetables, but then also allow your dogs to get the nutrients that they need. So I don't know why I decided to shred the carrots so large, or to be in large pieces, because she also hates eating things that aren't broken up properly. I have a picky dog. I'm sure some of you can appreciate if you have picky dogs. Like, oh my gosh, it's a lot of work. So now I'm also going to add in some of the peas, and this is starting to look a little bit better. It's a good balance. So watch me struggle stirring this darn kibble mixture. I don't know why it didn't click to me to, add some water, which I usually do. But you'll see that later on I'll start to come to my senses and add some water to, loosen the kibble and help me stir in a better way. It's also easier for the dogs to eat. So, you always pair the kibble with their water bowl so they can, not choke on their food and for everything to go down smoothly. So I'm stirring this all together, and to a human, it probably looks disgusting, but to a dog, they're going to smell the sweet potato, they're going to smell everything and the chicken, all of that, and it's just going to be so delicious for them. So this is the final product. Yummy, yummy. Layla's gonna love it, and I hope your dog does too.
Baby girl, hi baby girl, you hungry? You hungry? Okay, so this is Layla's favorite food. She loves it when I put sweet potatoes with the favorite, and she also likes chicken. I'm working on the veggies. The veggies are a bit difficult to get her really to like, but at the end of the day, as long as she's happy and healthy, that's all I care about. And she is a young dog. She is 2 years old, and she means the world to me and my husband. And yeah, this is our baby girl. I love her so much. So I'm gonna leave her alone because I'm gonna let her eat. So see you guys later.